Hello students, this is the continuation class of second order differentiation. See the question. If y equal to e to the power m cos inverse x, prove that this. So first you have to differentiate both sides, so that is the first step. Dy dx, okay, equal to e to the power m cos inverse x into d dx of this function, because here you have to apply chain rule. Now after differentiation this has come. Next, the denominator you have to write on left hand side and squaring both sides. Got it? This is the step. Next you have to differentiate these two. Here you have to apply d dx of uv. U differentiation of v plus v differentiation of u. Understood? Equal to right side m square into differentiation of y square is 2y dy dx. So after simplification this has come. This step is important. You have to divide both sides by 2 dy dx. So answer will come. Now see the second question. If y equal to, these are very important questions I have shown. Okay. So if y equal to this, so that this equal to this. Same. First you have to find dy dx, first order differentiation. First you have to differentiate log function and then differentiation of this function I have written. After simplification, see, this step is important. After simplification this has come. After simplification, see, that is the calculation after taking LCM and all. And this same step, the denominator you have to write on LHS and then squaring both sides. This has come. Okay. Now this is the next step. Okay. So after simplification that means same, you have to divide both sides by 2 dy dx. This is the answer. So see the next question. If y equal to sine inverse root 1 minus x square, so that this same, first you have to find dy dx and here you have to apply d dx of u by v. This one, d dx of u by v, that is the formula. After simplification, differentiation of sine inverse is this. After simplification, this step is important. Now this gone. Ultimately sine inverse x into this. Now if you take x common, this part has come. This is equal to y. Already it is given. Okay. So I have written, instead of this function I have written xy. Understood? Now the differentiation. Here you have to apply differentiation of u into v and the right side as well. See the calculation. Differentiation of this into this. Okay. So after calculation this has come. Understood? So this one you have to do. See the calculation. Wait. Now your job is, you have to complete this worksheet which is given on second order differentiation. Understood? The worksheet you have to complete which is given on second order differentiation. Thank you.